Hi! In this video, we'll be covering how to use the same group of assignments for multiple sections. So here I am in my Period 1 Intro JavaScript section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some edits to the assignments that are being used by this section, and then I'll make a brand new section that gets that same group of assignments with the same settings. So I'll go over to the Assignments tab, and what I'll do is I'll dive into the short stack assignment and change something about this assignment. So what I want to do is make it so that my students in this section can code with blocks for this assignment. I could either turn it on just for Period 1, or I could turn it on for all current and future sections that will ever use this course. So now that I have this on, I can make a brand new section and select this course as I'm making the section. So what we're going to do is create a new section. I'll call it Period 7 Intro JavaScript. And now, since I want to use the exact same settings that are used in Period 1, I will choose this course because this is the course that I made for Period 1, and this is the course that contains all those same assignments with the same edits. If instead I wanted to start from scratch and have a brand new set of plain JavaScript assignments as the defaults, I would choose this CodeHS default. But I don't want that. I want the exact same assignments that I'm teaching in Period 1. So I'll go ahead and choose this course. And when I do that, it'll create a section for me that is now using that same set of assignments. If we go to this dropdown, we see that that one course, Studebaker Intro JS 19, is being used both in Period 1 and Period 7. If I go over to the Assignments tab and choose that same assignment, short stack, I can see that blocks are on because that was the setting I chose. From here, I can make future edits. I can decide that actually I only want Period 1 to use blocks, or I could say I actually want both. The important thing to note here is that only free settings will automatically propagate to the new sections. Pro settings are not available to edit on free sections. And if you'd like to upgrade your free section to Pro, simply reach out to hello@codehs.com.